Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to connect your GameSir G7 Pro controller to an Xbox console. First, make sure your Xbox is powered on and fully booted to the home screen. Your controller must be charged before connecting. If it is not charged, plug it into a power source for a few minutes. Then take the USB-C cable that came with the GameSir G7 Pro. Next, plug one end of the USB-C cable into the port on the top of the GameSir G7 Pro. Then plug the other end of the cable into a USB port on your Xbox console. Any available USB port on the front or back will work. After you connect the cable, press the Xbox button on the GameSir G7 Pro controller. Press it briefly to power the controller on. When the controller turns on, it will send a signal to the Xbox console. Look at the Xbox button light on the controller. If it glows steadily without blinking, the controller is successfully connected. Remember that the GameSir G7 Pro will not pair wirelessly with an Xbox through Bluetooth. For Xbox consoles, connection is only through the wired USB method. Once your controller is connected and the light is solid, you can navigate the Xbox menu and start playing your games. Thank you for watching.